Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get creases out of your shoes. So you're not going to miss this video. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright, guys, so we got the creases here. This is the last part of these shoes. If you haven't seen the other videos, I restored these whole shoes from the uppers that were all dirty and the bottoms, which this was literally all yellow. It is back to that bright white, as you can see. The last part to fixing these up is right here, is these creases we got in the toe. I'm going to show you how to do that right now, and all you need is either an iron or a steamer, which I'm using a steamer, and a damp washcloth. Oh, and one more thing. You need some socks to stuff the shoe with. But that is all you need to get these creases out of these shoes. So, here you go. Take some socks. Stuff it in the shoe. Alright, guys, so I officially finished getting these creases out. This is them without the creases now. Yes, it works, as you can see. Now, this is stuffed right now with the socks still, because this is one step a lot of you don't do, which is why those creases seem to stay, right? Once you use that steamer or that iron and you massage around so that way you can try to form it back, keep the socks in there. I would keep it there for a full day. So I wouldn't use these for a day. I would keep it stuffed inside. That way it can form back to that shape. I'll show you what it looks like without it right now. But once it's back out, I'm going to put it back in and let it sit for hours. So as you can see, I'm gonna pull it out. It's pretty much the same. It's not gonna go down much. It's pretty much the same. Okay? Same thing over here. Again, that's what it looks like. Take it out. Doesn't go down. It's pretty much the same. It might go down a little bit, but not much. But again, I want to keep this stuffed so that way it forms to that shape. Okay, so I'm going to stuff it back like that. I'm going to let this sit for 24 hours, and then you should be good to go. Now, it will crease again, so don't think it's not going to crease again. This is the ultimate fix, because you can't get rid of creasing. Like, creasing will always come back. But what you should do now, if you really don't want to get any more creases and have to do this like every day, I would get crease protectors. So after getting these creases out, I put crease protectors in when I wear them. Again, you still might get like little creases, but not as bad as before. And this is a quick thing you can do at home that's pretty easy to do. Also, guys, this was the last video of restoring these. And how do you guys think I did? All right, check it out. Let me know what you think. Again, if you saw these before, which you know what, I'm gonna put the before right here. That's what it looked like before. That was all the dirt on there. This was all yellow on the bottom. It's back to white. How do you guys think I did? Did I do a good job? Put in the comments on a scale of 1 to 10, how good did I restore these? And be honest, I don't care if it's a 5, but I think I did a pretty darn good job. Okay, I don't think it's a 10, 100%, but I think it's up there. But yeah, put that down in the comments. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks, and you want to be icy? All starts in the soul. I'm gonna see you next time.